Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This Genesis 3317 has a 5500 watt generator, pass-through storage, 1500 watt inverter, solar, Arctic package, and it fits every single 4-seat side-by-side. The wonderful thing about Genesis toy haulers is every single fifth wheel toy hauler fits and is designed to fit the CanAm X3 4-seater and the Razor 1000 4-seater. Now, this unique design gives you more kitchen prep space, but fewer cabinets. And I'm not talking about the cabinets along the side, I'm talking about your pantry, your cabinet space for your food. You're going to do it in other places besides the kitchen. Probably more than likely, the cabinets are above the couch in the slide out. For all of your riding gear, you have the ability to put your helmets, things of that nature, on the top of the kitchen shelves, or on top of the kitchen cabinets. And then, of course, you have a 3-burner stove, oven, large microwave, and 4 drawers in the kitchen for all your utensils. But look at that prep space. The other thing I really enjoy that I think Pablo does a great job of is the design of the sink. So on the left-hand side, you have a big enough piece of the sink to do pots, pans, etc. And on the other side, you have another space for cups, utensils, things of that nature. Now, going up the stairs, what you lose in this floor plan is bathroom size. So instead of the bathroom being on the left-hand side, it's on the right-hand side. Now you get the corner shower, which is very typical in a lot of travel trailer toy haulers. And the toilet is in an area where you feel like you can stretch your legs, but don't quite have the chicken wing space, as you're going to see. But what they do add is a lot of linen cabinetry area. As you can see, not a lot of, as you can see, I should say. However, again, same thing, stand in the shower, I'm about 5'11", so you got plenty of room if you're 6'4", and then you have storage in the hallway area, including a wardrobe closet and 2 drawers. Going into the master bedroom, you have a walk-around king bed, TV, 4 cabinets above the bed, and a wardrobe slide, along with charging stations and the generator start button, a secondary generator start button near the beds. Now, while this floor plan and no floor plan anytime in any toy hauler is perfect, I will tell you that Genesis Toy Haulers is probably right now the best quality fifth wheel toy hauler on the West Coast. Now, what is going to be very interesting is if you look in the top right hand corner, you're going to see another amazing fifth wheel toy hauler walkthrough.